Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Now, originally there wasn't actually gonna be a video today. However, I was on the first page animating still of this video that I really want to get out. But you know, I'm on the first page and I haven't been able to get through all of it. So I happen to have ordered something recently, even though I'm saving up for a trip. I know, it's bad. And it arrived today, so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna pop out my camera, we're gonna go upstairs, and we're gonna film a video for today. So here I am, filming for you a Dolls Kill haul. If you read the title, you probably did. I've got this box here. It has got my address on it, which you are not going to see. However, we are just going to get right into this bad boy right now. A brand that I really like came back and restocked a bag that I've always wanted. So I decided to snatch it up, and I got a few other things because you know what? I want the free shipping, so that's why I got other things. So I decided we're gonna make it a little haul. Ooh, I'm gonna hurt myself doing this. This is not safe. Okay, we've got some paper. We don't care about that. I thought that was a sticker for a second and I'm like, no, it's just their advertisement. Okay. Oh my god, I am so excited. Okay, so where should I put this? There works. I'm gonna start off with the small things because why not? So we got some rainbow things here. I'm gonna start off with this pair of earrings that I thought were so freaking cute. Now, I don't know if I have sensitive ears or if I can literally only wear the ones at Claire's, but either way, I'm like, worth it. These are so freaking cute. Can we just appreciate that? Look how cute those are. They're precious little star earrings, and they're rainbow. So we snatched those up. These are literally just like leg fence, like they're just stockings, because I have full white fishnets, half fish white nets like these ones, and then full black ones, and I didn't have short ones, so I just decided to snatch these up. I like fishnets, sorry. The last one was, or the last small thing is from Sugar Thrills. I love Sugar Thrills so much. Their brand is just really amazing. And it is a lot more see-through than I expected. But that's okay because we have bandos and crop tops and tank tops here. I am a PG channel. But it is like the race checkered top, and the little thing is like a heart. That's so cute. I didn't even know that. But I just thought that was so cute. And I love it. It's like a little pastel rainbow. And I just thought that was really cute, and I'm gonna be like a hardcore edgy pastel racing track chick. Yes. I have shoes that go with this, and I'm like, ooh, Lola looks so cool. And you know, it was buy one get one half off. I had to get more things to get the free shipping, okay? I'm like, if you're gonna spend it anyways, you might as well get something else and get the free shipping that way. You know what I'm saying? Also, I like how it can like literally just like, I can do that with this shirt. I also got it in a medium for anyone wanting to know. I am a medium little bean, I think. This is a medium. Yep, it's a medium. Okay, the entire reason I ordered this stuff is for this bag. Oh gosh, here we go. I fell in love with this bag the moment I was watching a YouTube video. I think I was watching, oh gosh. I was watching a YouTube video and someone had this bag and I lost my little dang marbles because not only can it be a purse, it can be a dang backpack. Like, that is the cutest heckin' thing ever. I am so happy. I thought it was never gonna come back in stock, so my tush has been like searching Depop, like eBay, like everywhere. However, they restocked it, so I snatched it up because it's so cute. But I'm very impressed. It's got the parts for the backpack there, this part here, that part there, and I'm assuming all the straps are inside, because if you had to buy those separately, I would cry. We got paper. Oh yes. Oh, that is not the most pleasant smell. Okay, well, heads up. Doesn't smell very nice. It smells like some sort of not fun whatever. However, we got the straps, so I think we've got 3 here. So I want to say these are the same length. These are the backpack ones, and the long one is this purse one. So I think I'm gonna use it as a backpack first. Oh my gosh, I've dreamed of this day. Oh my gosh. Ah! It's so cute. Oh, like a little rainbow heart. Oh, it's so cute. I'm so excited right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, I am going to try on the shirt for you so I can show you guys how it fits. But that's the backpack. La, la, la. It's so cute. All right, here's the shirt. Okay, so this is the shirt. It is so cute. I have a tank top underneath, and it is a bit of a crop top. So I'm going to kind of lift this up. So it is a little bit of a crop top. Like here, like if I was to have this cropped, it goes just above my tummy. I am about 5'5", probably about 5'5". Yeah, 5'5". And it kind of, yeah, it fits as a crop top on me. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be a crop top anyways. I like crop top looks. Summer is around the corner. Springtime is like coming soon. I know where a lot of like people that I watch and a lot of other people that I follow, it's still the middle of winter, and that sucks. But also you get cute winter photos and you get snow, and we don't get that here. So whatever, springtime is coming, so I thought that this would be a really cute addition to my rainbow collection. And it would look super cool, not with these glasses, but I thought it would look super cool with these ones, because these glasses are trippy as heck, and I can see 8 of my camera right now. However, I hope this looks cool because I can't see anything. I hope that looked cool. However, if it didn't, then I'm really sorry. Alright guys, well that is all I have for this video. I hope you liked it. I know it was a short video. I wanted to get something out for you guys because I've been feeling really bad about my upload schedule. There will be an animated video coming to you Friday. I am so excited. Please be sweet to me though. This is my first time animating a video, and I wouldn't even consider like fully animated. I'm just drawing it. It's kind of going in segments. However, I'm trying to put a lot of effort into it, and animation's something that I'm really interested in, so maybe I might do more of those in the future. We'll see how it goes. I'm really excited. Anyways, make sure to check out my Instagram and my Twitter for more outside Cheeky Sparkles content, and I will see you guys on Friday with the animated video. Bye!